On Monday, stakeholders met to discuss a victim rights policy that has been drafted under the Grenada Spotlight Initiative to end violence against women and girls. Draft policy guarantees support to victims for their healing and recovery, delivered in accordance with international standards and best practices. Draft victim rights policy aims to ensure that victims and essential service providers are aware of the rights of victims and survivors to facilitate enforcement, accountability, and victim empowerment. Violence against women and children has long been among the most widespread human rights abuses globally, with consequences that can last their lifetimes. 1 in 3 women worldwide has experienced physical violence, and 1 in 10 girls has experienced forced intercourse or other sex acts. According to the Grenada Women's Health and Life Experience Study 2018 report, prevalence of physical and/or sexual intimate partner violence in Grenada is 29%, with 1 in every 4 Grenadian women having suffered physical violence at some point in their life, and close to 1 in every 10 Grenadian women having experienced sexual violence over her lifetime. The Victims' Rights Policy will enable the elimination of behaviors and attitudes of social service providers that are victim-blaming and insensitive, and which traumatize victims of violence who are being served in the essential services sector. The Victim Rights Policy will also ensure that victims of gender-based violence remain central to coordinated approach within and between the essential services sector. It will clarify the expectations of victims whenever they come into contact with the essential service sector. In conjunction with the National Gender-Based Violence Standard Operating Procedures, it will give direction for capacity building. It will also make provisions for victims' options when rights are violated. The draft policy will be refined based on consultation and then brought to Cabinet for consideration along with the standard operating procedures. Finally, the policy will inform law reform regarding gender-based violence. Chrislina John, GBN News.